Okay, this is Station 2 directions. Again, Station 2 can be found on Google Classroom under Classwork and Unit 4 Stations. It will say Station 2. It is not there right now because I haven't uploaded it. So, team captains, please make sure you are sharing your screen and going over the expectations. Notice that you don't have a daily station assignment because this time I'll allow you and your team to choose the order in which you complete the centers. Just note that you choose one center and you stay in it the entire time. The next time we go to centers, you choose a different one, okay? Here's your wheel of names. Click on it, copy and paste it to use the wheel of names to help you ask questions. And here's your direction slide. So team captains will go over everything with you on that direction slide. This video is going to be about showing you how to complete this center. So this is a review math center. And what you're going to do is you're going to match the numerical expression by dragging the marshmallows to the hot chocolate cups. Also, please note that not all marshmallows will be used. You will have more marshmallows than you will need. So you will have some extras. So let me model this. The first thing I want to remind you is there are some keywords that you need to know, such as sum. Remember, sum is the answer you get when you add two numbers. Multiply means multiply. Product is the answer you get when you multiply two numbers. Divided means divided by. And the difference means the answer that you get when you subtract two numbers. So the sum of 5 and 2, that tells me I'm adding 5 and 2 multiplied by 5. So I'm adding 5 and 2 and then multiplying it by 5. 5 plus 2 times 5. It has to be this one. But I want you to be very careful because it does try to trick you. Notice there's some 5 and 2s in parentheses. So you have to pay attention to that sign. So then you would do these 2 cups as well. The product of 5 and 2, product means multiply. So I multiply 5 and 2 and then divide it by 5. Multiply 5 and 2 and then divide it by 5. The difference, that means subtract, of 5 and 2 added to 5. So 5 minus 2 plus 5. Okay? Oh, it's right here. And notice I still have marshmallows left. So you're going to continue on with the other 3 slides. When you finish that, you're going to fill out your Station 2 exit ticket. You will type in here to put your level of understanding. Tell us what you have mastered when it comes to this math center. What do you still need help with? Make sure you type it in there and make sure, team captains, you tell them to turn it in. Then you're going to go to this Flipgrid and record a video telling us what you learned at this center. All right, now begin working on Station 2.